In this question, Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100-meter back to point C in another 1 minute. So what they are saying, that Joseph jogs from this point A to B, which is around how much meter, students? It's around 300 meter. A to B on a straight road 300 meter, and then he returns back around 100 meter. So when he returns back, we assume it's about point C and it's 100 meter. So if we talk about time taken in jogging from A to B, so T1 is the time taken from A to B. In that case, time taken is 2 minutes 30 seconds, or what we can assume it as 150 seconds. And time 2, which is from B to C, is how much? It's 1 minute. 1 minute equal to how many seconds, students? Yes, 60 seconds. So if we talk about average speed from A to B, first we are talking from, first of all, A to B, because in this question they have asked us calculate average speed and average velocity from A to B as well as A to C. So if we are talking from A to B, average speed, we know average speed is equals to total distance to total time. So if I ask you what is the total distance from A to B, yes, who can tell me? It's if the total distance is 300 meter and the time taken is 150 seconds. So the average speed turns out to be 2 meter per second. Now, if we are talking about average velocity, this was the average speed. We know, students, the formula of average velocity is displacement upon time. On a straight road, for example, if we are talking from the point A to B, it is displacement upon time. If we are talking for A to B, the shortest distance could be 300 meter only. No other way to create the shortest distance between the point A and the B. So the displacement is 300 and time is again 150. So the velocity turns to be 2 meter per second. I hope this is clear to you. Now if we are talking from A to C, A से C तक, देखिए distance कितना हो गया. First of all, A to B 300 meter, फिर B to C 100 meter more. So if I'll talk about, first of all, it's the B part, A to C, and we are talking again about average speed. What is the formula of average speed? Total distance, as we have done up right now, total distance upon total time. What is the total distance, students? It is AB plus BC and total time T1 plus T2. So what is AB and BC? It is 400, 300 plus 100, 300 AB plus BC, that is 100. So we got the distance as 400 meter. Now if we talk about time, it was mentioned in the question that it takes 150 seconds for going A to B and then takes seconds, that is BC is 60 seconds, again coming from B to C. So the total time would be 210, 150 plus 60. So the average speed turns out to be, when we solve, at 1.9 meter per second. Now again, if we are talking about the average velocity, we have right now discussed average velocity. What is the formula of average velocity? Yes, it is displacement upon time. So students, if we are asking about displacement, I already told you in my very first lecture that displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point. So A is the initial point and C is the final point. So shortest distance would be this particular line. And what is the length of this particular line? Complete AB, that is 300, minus this BC 100. So this left over would be how much meter, students? It would be 200 meter. So the shortest distance is AC, that is 200 meter. Time, again, time doesn't stops for anyone, so it is 210 seconds only. So when we'll calculate, it would be 0.95 meter per second. This is how we can calculate average velocity and average speed. In this question, it is mentioned that a motor boat is starting from rest. As we know, students, if any object is starting from rest, then its initial velocity, that is u, is 0. Accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate. Acceleration is 3 meter per second square and time is 8 seconds. So how far does the boat travel? How far means what we need to calculate, s, and what is s? The distance traveled. So we have already derived 3 equations of motion, and we know that distance calculated can be by the second equation of motion. So we have used that formula, s is equals to ut plus half at square. Since u is 0, so 0 into t, whatever would be the time, it would gives us 0. Half, what is acceleration? 3. Time is 8 square. So if we will calculate, what we will get, half into 3 into 8 into 8 to for 96 meter. This is an important numerical. The answer is 96 meters. So the distance traveled is 96 meter.